Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create your own digital product to sell online, specifically a printable planner that you can customize and sell on platforms like Etsy or your own website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design a gorgeous, ready-to-sell planner using Canva, even if you've never done anything like this before. So let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a super intuitive, free graphic design tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Just head over to Canva.com and sign in, or create a free account if you don't have one yet. I recommend opening Canva on your computer for this, just because the bigger screen will make editing your planner a lot easier. Once you're in, look for that Create a Design button. Usually, it's right at the top right corner of the home page. Give that a click and you'll see a search bar pop up. Now in that search bar, type the word planner. Canva actually has a ton of pre-made planner templates, so this little step saves you tons of time and gives you a professional-looking starting point. It takes the guesswork out of page sizes and layouts, and you don't have to build something from scratch unless you want to. After you type planner, go ahead and browse through the template options Canva provides. Take your time here. There are daily planners, weekly planners, meal planners, all sorts. Think about who your target customer might be and what kind of planner they would find most useful. Maybe you want to create something colorful for students, or a minimalist black and white design for busy professionals. Once you see a template you like, click on it to select it, and Canva will open it up in the editor. Alright, now comes my favorite part, customizing your planner design. Start editing everything to make it your own. You can change fonts, adjust the color scheme, move things around, and swap out images or illustrations. The idea here is to put your own spin on the planner so it stands out from the rest. Don't just stick with whatever you get out of the box. For example, if you love soft pastels or bold, vibrant colors, don't be afraid to use them. If you're targeting a specific audience, like teachers or entrepreneurs, try adding sections or prompts that would speak to their unique needs. This is also a great time to proofread the text, double-check all the sections, and make sure everything's easy to use and visually balanced. It might take a few minutes of tweaking, but don't worry if you need to stop and experiment. The beauty of Canva is you can always undo or rearrange until you're happy. Once your planner looks the way you want it to, you're just about ready to save it as a digital product. Here's a really important detail. When you're ready to download, hit that share button up in the upper right corner, then choose download. For printable planners, you'll want to select the PDF print option and make sure you select CMYK if Canva prompts you. CMYK is a color mode that's optimized for printing, so your customers will get nice, accurate colors when they print their planner at home or at a print shop. This step is crucial. Printing in the standard screen color mode, RGB, can sometimes make your colors look different on paper, and we want your customers to have the best possible experience. And that's it, you've just created a beautiful, ready-to-sell printable planner in Canva. Now you can upload it to your favorite selling platform or even use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want tips on how to market your planner online, drop a comment down below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward digital product tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.